Hey, what's up you guys? This is Austin Weaver here at Get Fit Training Systems here in Palm Desert, California. Right now, I want to show you how to work out your real delts on this pec deck machine here. Just like I told you I was going to do in the last video on when I was showing you how to work out your chest here. Now, I'm going to show you how to work out your real deltoids, the back of your shoulder muscles here. So, check it out. Alright, so you grab the handles on the side here, not right here, just like we did for your chest, but grab these handles right here above it, above the other handle. And so what you're going to do is, you're going to have your chest right against the pad here, against the seat here. So you're going to come back. You make sure you squeeze the back of the shoulders as you come back. And then you're going to come up front. Again, you're working out the back of your shoulder muscles here, your deltoid muscles here, your real deltoid. So you're going to squeeze back. Then you're going to come back up front. Alright? All you do, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and also hit the subscribe button as well. And also hit the bell button, so that way you can stay updated on all my workout videos as well. So, hope you enjoyed, guys. Peace out.